In this video for the Algorithm Generator 2.0, I would like to talk about tying a 3-pass Type 2 pineapple knot. So here's AG20 on my desktop, so we'll double click it. We're wanting to tie a standard 3-pass knot, so we're going to select 3, hit enter. This brings up this menu. We're wanting a standard pineapple knot, so we'll select 2. Now it's asking for the position of the bite boundaries of the second knot. Well, we're wanting a Type 2 pineapple knot, so we're going to select number 4 on bite boundary 2-1. That's the standard way to tie a Type 2 pineapple. So we'll hit 4. Now on this 3-pass Type 2 pineapple, we need to be on bite boundaries 3-3. Because if we selected one of these others, it would make it a Type 3 pineapple. So we are going to select number 1. So we hit 1 and enter. We're going to do it on a 7-part 6-bite. Hit yes. And we'll look at, I'll raise this up a little bit. Okay. Here we have a 19 total part, 18 total bite, 3-pass, Type S2 standard pineapple knot. And for this run list, we're following the right of the second knot, and X equals 15. Our primary knot was a 7-part 6-bite casa knot. Our second knot was also a 7-part 6-bite casa knot, tied from bite boundary 2 and 1, which made our knot a Type 2 pineapple. Now we're making a 3-pass by tying our third knot on the inside of these two 7-part 6-bite casa knots. And it will be a 5-part 6-bite casa knot tied from bite boundary 3-3. Now, if we go here, back to our resume, hit R, and let's do a 3-pass. So we're going to hit 3. We want a standard pineapple knot, so we hit 2. We're going to tie a Type 2 pineapple, so we go 4 from bite boundary 2 to bite boundary 1. Hit 4. Now for the third knot, we're going to continue with that same style of pattern where the interweave is going out the outside of the knot on the right hand side. So we're going to tie it from bite boundary 3 to bite boundary 1. So we're going to hit 3. We're going to do our 7-part 6-bite. We hit Y for yes. And this time we have a 21 total part, 18 total bite, 3-pass, Type 3. It's 3-pass and Type 3 because all 3 knots are the same size. Okay, it's a standard pineapple knot, and we're following the right of the second interweave, the second knot. X equals 17. Okay, so our primary knot was a 7-part 6-bite casa. Our second knot was a 7-part 6-bite casa on bite boundaries 2 and 1, which made it a Type 2 pineapple. Now we tie a third knot, which is a 7-part 6-bite casa knot, on bite boundaries 3 and 1, which makes it a 3-pass Type 3 pineapple knot. And this is the run list for tying the third knot. I hope you will try tying this knot, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.